Hi angels, hi my Tiffany blues. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I wanted to talk to you girls about a new bag that I brought into my collection. So you guys know I'm always in Macy's, I'm always at TJ Maxx doing store tours, and you guys know sometimes when you're at the store and you see these handbags, you can't resist them. So if you like handbag videos, come on back to my channel, hit like and subscribe on this video right now. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I want to talk to you girls about a couple of lovely bags and put some eye candy on the screen. But I wanted to tell you that I am in such a good mood, and we'll talk about that as well. So the first bag that I wanted to talk about is a work bag. It's a Michael Kors work bag. It's a Michael Kors tote, north-south tote that I've been using as a work bag. So here it is right here. This is the first bag that I wanted to talk about. This is the Michael Kors Maple. It's the Michael Kors Maple Tote, and it's a north-south tote bag. So the reason I wanted to talk to you girls about this lovely bag is because I've been using this as a work bag for work. As you could see, it's a north-south tote, so it's very elongated. It's very tall, and it can hold a lot. It can hold files and folders and documents, all your work paperwork. It can hold a clipboard, you know, an 8.5 by 11 clipboard, and you're going to be able to hold all your files, anything you need at work, your glasses, an iPad, a tablet, a computer can even fit in this bag. It's so big. So I'm not going to do a what's in my bag, but I just want to show you a few things that I have in here and the interior of this lovely bag. So yeah, you girls, the reason I've been feeling so good is just, I don't know, I just feel like I got my mojo back. I got my mojo back as far as health-wise, eating right and working out, and my exercise regimen. For the new year, that was one of my resolutions, was to, you know, get back fit and in shape. Let's just say over the pandemic, your girl gained a little bit of weight. And I'm not used to having that weight on me, you guys. I want my old bikini body back and my old figure back. So I've really been putting in the time, and I'm happy to say I'm seeing results. And I want to share that with you girls on my channel as well. So it's really, you know, not only a vanity thing, it's a health thing. It's about feeling healthy. And since I've been back in my workout regimen, I've just had more energy. I've just felt so good. It's given me more energy throughout the day to do things, and I'm really, you know, liking that, and I can feel and see the results. So, but yeah, today, we'll get into that more on my channel. Today, I just wanted to talk to you girls about this bag. So this is the Maple, and this is just a Michael Kors belt bag, and it does have the white vanilla and some of the blues, like the maple color in it. So a while ago on my channel, I did a DIY and a giveaway on some of these belt bags, and it's no big thing, but basically I just used a scissor or a razor and cut the belt part off so that I could use them as a pouch. And on the white ones, you could kind of see. On the signature brown ones and black ones, you can't see anything right here. It shows up on the white ones because on the white ones, they didn't go ahead and put a color over the material. So, you know, you could kind of see where I went ahead and DIY'd it. But I have some in brown and in black, and you can't even see. It's so clean. It blends right in with the brown signature canvas because the material from the strap was brown. So it just blended right in with the brown signature canvas. But that doesn't bother me on the white one. I'm using it as a pouch in my bag, and it matches so well with my French blue. The color is French blue. This French blue is so beautiful, you girls. And then, of course, the lovely vanilla. And let me tell you girls something about the Maple Tote. Now, the Maple Tote, when I go and do my store tours, this bag has been showing up in all of the stores, in Macy's, in TJ Maxx, in Marshalls, and Ross. I've been seeing this bag everywhere. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put some examples right here. I've seen it with the larger MK print on it, as well as with the small signature MK print. So this one, you girls, I wasn't in the market for a Maple Tote. I was in one of my store tours and I saw it, and I love when I get a sale. So the original price of the Maple Tote is $149.99 when it comes in normally at most stores. When it comes in at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, it's normally $149.99. When it's at Dillard's or Von Maur or Macy's or other department stores, it may run a little higher. So I paid on clearance for this bag. I got it on sale for $69. Can you believe that? I paid $69 for this tote. And I couldn't believe it was, I caught it on sale. At first I was like, it was on clearance. It had a red tag. It wasn't the last final yellow tag. So it's very useful for me at work. I've been using this bag so much at work, you guys. The French blue is so pretty, and it has a nice canvas adjustable strap that you can just go ahead and adjust it to how you want to use it. Let me see if I could show you girls the interior. It does have an interior pocket, has several interior pockets, and it's deep in there. It's very deep. So like I said, it can hold a lot. So I'm getting ready to switch out of this bag, and I wanted to show you girls the new bag that I'm going to be switching into. So here is the new bag that I picked up that I'm going to be switching into, and this is my Michael Kors Reveal. It's basically a Michael Kors Maeve Tote. I'm so excited. Here she is. Here she is right here, you guys. The Michael Kors Maeve Tote. I absolutely love her. This is going to be a great bag. I like the bone color, the cream color mixed with the black. I just think that looks so pretty. And I ran into this bag so many times while I'm doing my store tours that this time when I ran across her, I was like, you know what? I've always loved this bag. I've admired it. I've handled it so many times and looked at it in stores. Why not go ahead and purchase her? This baby right here, I did pay full price for. I didn't catch her on sale, but it was just time. Like I said, after seeing her in the stores so many times, I saw her in orange. I saw her in blue. I saw a derivative of her in different colors, basically a similar Maeve Tote, but in Saffiano leather. This one is not in leather, it's leather trim, and it's a canvas material. It's gonna be great for the summertime. It's also a great fall bag because it has the darker shades in it as well. But for spring and summer, I'll definitely be able to use her. Now, of course, she is not a north-south tote. She's an east-west tote, and she's the medium mauve. They have a larger size. What I like about this medium one is the medium one comes with a crossbody strap. Now, when you get a tote bag that you can also use crossbody, that just makes it that much better because you can go hands-free with it. It's a tote bag, but you still can put it crossbody, whereas the larger mauve is bigger in the silhouette, it's larger in the silhouette, and it doesn't have the crossbody strap. So I was glad to get this medium size with the crossbody strap right here. And like I said, I did purchase her from TJ Maxx. On days when I carry the mauve to work, of course, I'm gonna have to downsize and not bring as much stuff with me to work as I would with my Maple Tote. So yeah, this is the mauve, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start unwrapping her. Just give me a minute and I'll be right back. So I'm back, you girls, and I have my beauty right here unwrapped. So there wasn't too much to do to unwrap her. I went ahead and cut the tags off and a little bit of stuffing paper inside. I unwrapped the strap, and now she's ready to wear, you guys. And I even think this baby will be able to hold a small water bottle, not a large one, but a small water bottle, as well as some of my other belongings. The interior of her is all black in there, and she does have a side pocket. She has a side zip pocket and a small envelope pocket in there on the side. But this little baby almost looks like the shape of a basket. So yeah, my sweethearts, today I just wanted to share with you guys me switching from my Maple Tote, the large north-south Michael Kors Maple Tote, into my new work bag. I'm going to be using this as a smaller work bag, the Michael Kors Maeve. I really like this bag. I enjoyed this video and talking with you girls. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos as well as my workout journey, and we're just going to have fun throughout 2024, you guys. I'll see you soon.